Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nyla with Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today I have for you a 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. This thing is one of my favorite Corvettes I think we have. So beautiful with that charcoal gray and red pinstripe design with that red interior. You can see all the awesome precision pinstriping, just beautiful. And those two colors, the gray and the red, just work so nicely together. Beautiful wheels. This car is in immaculate shape, so I'm just doing a quick little walk around. This was a great year for Corvettes. This is an automatic transmission. Just look at that beautiful red interior. It is hardtop with removable hardtop, so you get that convertible feel. The AC blows super cold, the radio works, so everything is in working condition. Just flop this seat down. Just in amazing condition. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and get the engine started for you. We'll take it for a spin, and then as always, we will show you the undercarriage on this beautiful Corvette. Stay tuned. All right, we've got it started. I'm gonna show you how light that hood is. Lifting it one-handed. That little hood lamp works. For you. Got crossfire injection. Come around to the back. Let's take it down the road. Okay, we're inside the 82 Corvette. I love all the old school gauges. Everything seems to be in working condition. We've got your blinkers. One of my favorite parts, the lights, the light flip. Gotta love it. All right, I've got the AC blowing super hard and cold right now. It is a little warm today. So that is definitely working good. See the radio here. And we've got the tunes. Awesome. Turn this down a little bit. All right. Like I said, it is automatic. Looks like they got the little CB radio here if you're into that kind of thing. Power windows. Power locks. I don't have the T-tops off. I am gonna do a video and some pictures with those off so you can kind of see how the car looks without those. Well, let's go. Got a little dip in the road here. Took that very nicely. Right. As I've said before, you can't beat the handling of a Corvette. And this one's super comfortable, kind of the bucket seat style, so you feel snug inside. Beautiful, tight handling. You gotta love that. Let's get some speed. Just awesome. Such a fun drive. Little brake check here. Straight brakes, no pulling. That's what we like to see. This is just an awesome car. I'm gonna flip it around, put it up on the hoist. Thank you for checking us out, and please come check us out at 10420 Portal Crossing, Lakewood Ranch in 64. Thanks for tuning in.